Hi guys, this is Christine and welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. I finished another journal and this one is flower or gardening themed. It has an elastic closure and on the spine I have my little double-sided flower. I have a tutorial on how to make that, and I have some little dangle charms, and this is removable with the lobster clasp. On the front it says grow and a beautiful image of flowers, and then the back is just plain like that. I love the colors. This is great for spring and Easter with the beautiful purples and pinks, and I've got a nice big orange flower on the side that coordinates with this one, and I've got a button center. I made this with some lace trim. So this just comes off like that. This is a tall journal. It measures 9 inches, but the pages aren't that tall, and you'll see why I made it this big. So here on the inside I've got a set of 4 elastics where I can attach pages, so these are removable, and I've got 2 large signatures that are stitched, and I also have some plastic inserts in there, but these signatures come out like that, so you can also add some of your own papers in there, and you can add some more papers in the middle and then just slide this in like that, so you can customize your journal. On the inside cover I have 2 little pockets. I did a lot of stitching in this journal, so I stitched around the edges. I did some inking, and these are some beautiful images of flowers that I had, and I put a little tag in here, and then I've got another one here. These are made with recycled envelopes that I got. There was junk mail, and I figured I may as well use the envelopes. And then on the signatures and some of the pages I included some little embellishments here, a little bead, and I've got another one here, and here I have a little 4-leafed clover, and there's another bead here, and another one here, and I think, yeah, that's it. So here's the first signature. Inside this pocket I have a beautiful image of flowers, and you can journal on the back because I attached this to a index card that I tea stained. And this was from a fortune teller book, and it explains the different cards and what they mean, and this was the description for the flowers card. And here I've got some tea stained paper, and I have a title, Happiness Blooms Within. A little stamped image, or it's not a stamped image, it's an actual image that I cut in the shape of a stamp. I attached that there, and I also stitched some lace on the edge of my page, some more stamped paper, and this is a bookmark, and I attached this eyelash yarn. I love that stuff. You can journal on the back if you like. And here's a flap. Like in most of my journals, if I'm going to be attaching anything to the blank pages, I like attaching them as flaps so that you don't lose any journaling space. And this is a little red rose tea packet, and I've got these little tags in here, and I used some a telephone directory page. You don't see these too often anymore. And I decided to attach that in there. This is the business listings section. Some more paper, and I've got these two little flaps. And here's a little envelope with the card. And I've got a tag here. And this is a pocket with another pretty image. Happiness blooms within. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's golden letters, so they might blend in with the background. Another pretty image here. And here you can journal. Another little bookmark. Two more flaps. And this is my little charm attached. I put a pocket here with another picture of a garden. And here's a nice little dimensional flower. I attached a little charm on here, but you can still open the flap so you can write in there. And this last page has some doodling, a doodling image. So you can use your pens and just have a go at it. And this is just plastic sleeve that I included. And I mean, you can always journal on this paper. You can design a garden on this paper because of the squares. So I just decided to add these in here. You can also use it for seed packets or whatnot. And here's the next signature. Again, I've got the doodling paper there and on the back. And it's your time to bloom. So there's a lot of room for journaling. And there's another little tag. Make today pretty. Another little bookmark. And this is again part of that fortune teller book. And this is about the lilies card. You can write on there. Another little stamp. So you can also do some stamping in here. There's lots of room for that. Cultivate kindness. That opens, and I've got another one of these index cards. Pretty flowers. And then here I have another one of these plastic sleeves. So there's lots of room for adding mementos in here. And on the back, I just attached an envelope. I think I'll stick a tag in there to finish that off. And I should go through the little charms that are on here. I have little beads, a little hourglass, oops, hourglass here, and I've got a little bug I don't know if that's a moth or, yeah, it looks like it could be a moth. Some little critter. Anyways, I'm including this in my Etsy shop, and I will put a link in the description below. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.